And we're back. This time I'm going to show you how to create a 3-dimensional cube of cubes in Adobe Illustrator. If you don't know how to create the basic cube, I've already done a tutorial about this. You'll find that in my Adobe Illustrator beginner tutorials playlist. It should be tutorial number 207 and this tutorial number 208. If you know how it's done, just simply create the basic cube, just like I do here. I'm going to speed this video up until the point where we can work on the 3-dimensional cube of cubes. Alright, and here we are. Let me size that down holding Shift and Alt, and it's aligned in the center. Make sure that it's selected, and we already know that we've got 30 degrees angles between the horizontal line and the cube. So to one direction it's 30 and to the other one 180 minus 30. Make sure your selection tool is activated and press enter, and you've got the move tool popping up. Click on preview. Now we need the angle of 150 to the left side, and now we need to find a good distance. It's a little bit of trial and error depending on the size of your basic cube unit. I'll choose 85 pixels and then I copy paste the horizontal value and I try to memorize the vertical. I go to Effect and Transform. I'll paste the horizontal move value and type in the vertical one, which was 42.5. We don't need an angle, but we need to get rid of reflect to X and Y. And we need to create more copies. Just use the arrow keys. I guess 4 copies should be enough, so we've got 5 cubes in total in a single row. I'll click on OK. And now we need to move that to the right side upwards. Again, make sure your selection is activated, press enter. You've got the move tool again, and we need an angle of 30 degrees. And the distance once again 85 pixels. Once again we copy the horizontal value and the vertical is the same. Go to Effect, Transform, apply new effect, paste the horizontal move value. The vertical one stays the same. Click on preview, and we need 4 copies again, and OK. Now we need one final transformation downwards, and again have to move to activated, enter, and we know that we need an angle of 90 degrees, minus 90 degrees to be specific, and a distance of 85. And you can already see that with such an angle the horizontal value is 0 and the vertical is equal to the distance. So again, Effect, Transform. We need a horizontal value of 0 and the vertical one was 85, which was the distance. Click on preview and we'll add 4 copies. And that's it. This is our cube of cubes 3D. If we now resize it, you can see what's happening. You can even make it a whole cube. Or this fracture cube. If you want to further work with it, simply make sure it's selected, then go to Object and expand the appearance. You can now size it down, size it up completely without the relation between the individual partial cubes changing. If you want to get rid of parts of this cube of cubes, simply ungroup everything until you can ungroup it further, and you can get rid of single elements. And this is how you can create this 3-dimensional cube of cubes in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.